Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a breathtaking journey over Hungary. Buckle up, because we're about to discover some of its most stunning wonders from the sky. First up is Budapest, the Queen of the Danube. Imagine flying over the iconic Parliament building with its majestic spires and intricate details glistening in the sunlight. And just a stone's throw away, the Buda Castle stands proud, offering panoramic views over the city that's simply unforgettable. Next, we glide over the enchanting Lake Balaton, often called the Hungarian Sea. This breathtaking expanse of water stretches as far as the eye can see, framed by rolling hills and charming villages. It's a haven for nature lovers and a perfect spot for a serene escape. Now, let's soar over the Hortobágy National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This vast, flat landscape is dotted with traditional herdsmen and their grazing animals. From above, you can truly appreciate the raw beauty and timelessness of this unique region. Continuing our journey, we find ourselves above the Eger wine region. The lush vineyards and historic wine cellars create a patchwork of green and gold, a true testament to Hungary's rich winemaking heritage. And don't forget to raise a glass to the famous bull's blood wine. Finally, we reach the architectural marvel of pecs. From the sky, the Cathedral of St. Peter and St. Paul looks like a grand masterpiece, with its stunning towers reaching for the heavens. The ancient Roman ruins and vibrant street art below add layers of history and culture to this captivating city. Hungary is a land of diverse landscapes and rich history, and seeing it from above brings a whole new perspective. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just love exploring from the comfort of your home, I hope this aerial tour inspires you to discover more of Hungary's wonders. So, if you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration from around the world. Until next time, safe travels and keep soaring high.